Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. I'm here in Mega Mall. I'm gonna catch up a Topak movie, how I wish I could get the last full show, and how I wish that there's still a showing here for Topak. I'm gonna get inside, okay? Shout out to each every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out there. Sorry guys, I have an open sore. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much each every one of you. How I wish I could still get there. And how I wish there's still a movie of Topak. Just like what I promised to Madam Sylvia Sanchez, that I'm gonna watch, and even to Arjo Ataide and the rest of the cast. And I'm also curious about the movie, how it is going, what's the story of Topak being all about. So let's get in here at the elevator. Sorry, cinema, sir.
Opo, tignan ko lang po kung may kumilig ka.
Okay. How I wish. Going down.
Going up.
Going down.
Walang nervous.
Wish me luck, guys and girls, that there's still a Topak movie.
Going up. Dito sa'yo tayo. Ako. Anong floor po kayo? Kasha pa. Nasa anong floor daw tayo?
Third
O, kasha pa daw.
Ate, third floor po ba yung clown?
Apat tayo. Good floor church. Kung tayo. Fourth. Wait lang po.
There it is.
Third floor. Kadaan ako. Yung
Here we are! Sorry. How I wish there's still a Topak! Oh my gosh! Topak. Let's check.